Hello. Today is Sunday, September 27th. It's been almost 2 months since the accident racing motorcycle. This is some of the equipment I was wearing when I crashed, which pretty much saved my life from any sort of disastrous or even worse consequences. This is the helmet I was wearing, and you can see damage when I hit the ground. Sliding along at approximately 100 miles an hour or more. And the jacket ripped to pieces, pretty much. A pair of pretty good quality leather pants and the boots I was wearing as I was dragging along the ground. You can see how this boot is a little ripped up from the asphalt. My injuries progressed along pretty well, considering I started physical therapy last week. Try to regain some movement in my arm, shoulder. Doing fairly well, I guess you could say, considering. Just kind of going along day to day, getting better, feeling better, getting more energy, feeling like I can do some things. I guess I consider myself pretty damn lucky. See how my shoulder progresses as days and weeks go by. Hopefully get back to work somewhat part-time, probably not full-time really. Yeah, I just thought maybe you guys would like a little update, see some of the results of this crash. This stuff pretty much saved my life. This having the right equipment and clothing can save your life. That is for sure. There is no doubt about that. Anybody out there rides a motorcycle, wear a helmet. And proper equipment. Everybody, try to be safe and considerate of other people on the road. Thanks.